gonna look and see what all kind of crap I had from the Goodwill, and I decided I'd make a song about it. So I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna make a song as I find what I got here. I got some Blue Ball mason jars and a Griswold frying pan, a whole bunch of silver-plated silverware, and a KitchenAid mixer. I got a Singer sewing machine and a couple of 35mm cameras, 12 pairs of cowboy boots, and some antique luggage. I got an iMac computer and a Dunlop drill, some vintage Barbie dolls. That ain't half of it. I got a bowling trophy from 1952 and some combat boots, 3 paintball masks, and some Fisher-Price toys. I got about 10 purses, some combat fatigues, and that ain't even a quarter of the shit I got. I got a box full of belts, a case of Legos, and a whole bunch of freaking tape and bubble wrap, and I can see a knife sharpener. I got a lot of stuff. I got an old-ass Mickey Mouse and an 8mm action movie camera editor, and I got a whole lot of Tupperware, baby. A whole lot of Tupperware.